Okay, day 2 of an ongoing whole house declutter. We're in my youngest daughter Sawyer's bedroom today. She got a ton of back to school clothes, but has nowhere to put them. She is just so cute having all of her new school clothes folded and laid out in her bed. She doesn't want to ruin them or wear them before school starts. She wants them to be nice and fresh for her first couple of weeks. But she's got them all laid out on her bed, and then at nighttime she puts them on top of this organizer here because she's waiting for me to declutter through her dresser and all of her old clothes. So this is her pants drawer and her t-shirt drawer, and her pajama drawer is probably empty because she has a ton of laundry that needs to be put away. The basket of laundry, all clean, needs to be folded and put away. But I figured since I needed to declutter anyway, instead of cleaning all of the laundry and folding it away to have packed drawers to start decluttering, we might do it a little bit differently this time and leave things as empty as they're going to get, because to me that signals that whatever is left in these drawers are things that she's either not reaching for first, passing over in order to put together outfits that she actually wants to wear, or they just don't fit her anymore, so she's not wearing them. So hopefully that will make it a little bit easier to go through all of the clothes that she's got in the dresser, and then we can worry about folding all of her clean laundry and getting it put back and organized. And while we're in here, I should go through all of her dressers and hoodies because it's been a while since I've checked to make sure that all of these still fit her, as well as her millions of bags that she's got up on these hooks. They're just really taking over, and I think we can pare down on this. And she has recently gotten into more makeup and hair care types of things, so I want to go through her hair care bin and also her little makeup bag. But I think I want to start with her clothes first. We're going to go through everything that she currently has in her dresser and make sure that it all still fits her first and foremost. I'm going to look at sizes, so like this skirt still fits her really well. We'll be keeping that. I see her put together a ton of outfits with this, but these pants have not been her favorite, so maybe we'll go ahead and declutter these ones. These shorts remind me of the 90s and she looks so stinking cute in them. We're gonna keep these. Another pair of pants that she just doesn't prefer, we'll go ahead and declutter. Keep, keep, keep. Also keep, declutter, declutter, declutter. I think I'm gonna have to make her try these on when she gets home. And these sweatpants are ones that I would probably prefer to declutter because they are so oversized on her, but that's what makes her want to keep them. But maybe we'll use these to start a pile of things that we'll store away that will fit her eventually, just not right now. Now the shirts, declutter, keep, 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 keep. Yeah, keep. Declutter, declutter, declutter. Keep, what's this? Keep. Save for later. Keep, keep, ask. Keep, declutter. Keep, save for later. Keep. She loves this. This should be pajamas. Now these go to some pajamas that just don't fit her body the right way, so I think we're gonna declutter them, and this will become a t-shirt nightgown. Now this, I fear, is where I'll get the most pushback. Sawyer has really been wanting to keep a lot of her hoodies and jackets, but they literally don't fit over her head. I'm gonna ask her about this. I actually haven't seen her wear this in a really long time, so this might be a declutter. Keep. She looks beautiful in this color. Keep, declutter. Keep, 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 declutter. I think the last time she wore this, she said she didn't like the way that this felt. Maybe I should ask her. Keep, keep, declutter, keep. This is one that I keep holding on to for sentimental reasons. We bought it during a Disney trip. The fit of it just isn't quite right or comfortable on her, so she rarely wears it. So there's no point in holding on to something that she's not gonna wear. And even though we decluttered quite a bit of this, I still feel like there's no room for the new. If I have to go through it again, then I'll go through it again. And if we have to make cuts from her clean laundry, then we'll go ahead and do that. I'm starting to get thirsty, and I just realized that I haven't taken my colostrum today, so let's go make a blood orange or maybe watermelon Armor Colostrum drink. We are going on about 2 months now that I've been taking my Armor Colostrum every day, and I am feeling so much more energized, less bloated. I'm seeing improvements in my hair and my skin health. Armor Colostrum is a whole food superfood with like 400 plus bioactive ingredients, antioxidants and antibodies, peptides, and prebiotics. I love to mix the travel sticks into basically any drink. The vine watermelon is so good in a lemonade. The blood orange is my favorite, and I just drink it on its own. And you can also take the unflavored as a dry scoop. It's just really good and good for you. Helps to support digestion and immune health. I feel more energized and well balanced, and I think you guys can tell. So I've actually partnered with Armor Colostrum on today's video, and you can save 15% off of your first Armor Colostrum order using the link in my description box and code LovingLifeIsMegan at checkout. I'll also pop up a QR code here for you, so it's super easy and convenient if you want to check out Armor Colostrum for yourself. But I'm going to make a blood orange drink, my favorite. So good. But now let's start putting Sawyer's clothes away.
Stepping out, it's Friday night. How I'm longing for this day. Yes, I'm single. Oh, we want to mingle, and my friends are on the way. You got that good vibe. I want to spend some time back here with you. Oh, I got that good old times. You want to spend some time back here with me. Oh, and time after time, I am wondering who is she to me. I'm gonna tell you right now, 'cause she's the one I'm thinking of. Hey, the only one I'm thinking of. Hey, she's everything I'm dreaming of. Hey, the one that I can live without. Oh, that smile makes me tripping out. I wanna dance with you tonight. Yeah, you close to me, feeling good. I believe I gotta have you in my life. You got that good vibe. I want to spend some time back here with you. Oh, I got this good old times. You want to spend some time back here with me. Oh, and time after time, I am wondering who is she to me. I'm gonna tell you right now, 'cause she's the one I'm thinking of. Hey, the only one I'm thinking of. Hey, she's everything I'm dreaming of. Hey, the one that I can live without. She's the one I'm thinking of. Hey, the only one I'm thinking of. Hey, she's everything I'm dreaming of. Hey, the one that I can live without. Can live without. Time after time after time, I'm wondering who is she to me. I'm gonna tell you right now, 'cause
Okay, I'd say we are doing pretty good. I have 5 socks without matches. I'd be willing to bet that they are in between some couch cushions. I'm gonna set them up here. If we don't find them within the next week, I'll go ahead and declutter them. All of Sawyer's drawers are full now. We've got a little bit of space. So all of her pajamas are put away. We've got sleep shirts. These are sets that either have long pants or long sleeves, and then these are sets that are shorts and short sleeves. And then for her t-shirt, she's got tank tops here. These are all like solid or pattern t-shirts. These are ones with characters, and these are all like school or camp shirts. And I would say each of these could fit maybe 1 or 2 more, so she's really good to go there. And then for her pants, this girl loves herself some athletic shorts, so that's definitely taking up the bulk of this space. She's got some skirts back here, jean shorts, and then these are like jeans, sweatpants, and leggings. This is our declutter pile, looking very beefed up. Can't believe that we were trying to shove all of this into those drawers that are already pretty full. And then this is our pile of things that Kinsley has decluttered decluttered and passed along to Sawyer, but they don't quite fit yet, so they need to be stored away until they do. In these bins up in the very tippy top of her closet is where we tend to store things like that. It's probably time that we should sort through them again anyway, and then we can store away all of those new clothes that Kinsley passed along. And honestly, I can't even remember most of what's in here. Oh, this is a top sheet. We never use top sheets, so declutter. I think this was packed away from winter clothes when we were trying to store away off season, which clearly didn't work for us because then we would just forget about them. This is too small anyway, so declutter. I have to have her try this on. Still too big. This she should be able to wear. This could probably fit her now. Oh, same with these ones. I think she can wear them now. Declutter. Bet she could wear this bathing suit. Maybe one more year for this. Oh, these are very old pillowcases. Who remembers when her room was in this kind of theming? I don't even have these sheets anymore, so declutter. She'll want to try these. She'll probably want to try both of these also. Tank tops, t-shirts, skirt, and those sweatpants. So this one can go back up. Now over here, Kinsley used to have the Cinderella doll and she gave it to Sawyer for her first birthday. We're still gonna store her away for if our kids decide to have kids. Lego manuals that we keep. I forgot all about these. Doesn't matter if it fits or not, she will hate this material and call it scratchy. So declutter, declutter, clutter, clutter, declutter, declutter. She can try this. Declutter, declutter. Okay, I think what just happened is this was a bin full of like summer dresses that we were trying to pack away because they were out of season and I forgot about them. Now she's outgrown them. Bummer. Okay, and then all of these are sentimental clothes from when both of the girls were babies. So we're saving all of these. I think I'm gonna keep this one for just like those baby clothes, the Lego manuals, and we'll just put it right up here. And then this is the last bin that I've got. We're gonna declutter these. We're also gonna declutter this. What's this? This was Sawyer's like hospital blanket, and we used to call her a jelly bean because it looked like a little jelly bean when she was swaddled in it. We're gonna keep that along with her kindergarten graduation gown. And then all of these sweatshirts that will not fit her yet, we're just gonna store them away in here. It's a snug fit, but it fits. Remind me next year, back to school time, to pull these out and see if they fit her yet. Okay, now let's do some work on these bags. This is gonna be tough. We're definitely keeping this one. This is like probably her most used. She got it for Christmas. I did a what I got my kids for Christmas video and showed you how I gifted this, but essentially it was an art tote and she uses it for that and so much more, so we're keeping it. This one is also tough because she just looks so cute when she does wear it, but I have to say she doesn't wear it often and it's pretty stained, so declutter. Declutter. Stitch belt bag. This is a keep. This is her Build-A-Bear bag. She would kill me if I decluttered this. This is her thrifted diaper bag for Winnie. It has to be a keep. But then I think we'll declutter this. Declutter. Keep. This is from Takeout Sushi. Declutter. She got this purse for Christmas, and when she is carrying like an actual purse, it's typically this one, and she looks so cute, so keep. And her Aristocats Loungefly, this is a keep forever. I'm going to have to ask her about this Nightmare Before Christmas Loungefly. I'm gonna put it in the maybe declutter pile. Her Marie belt bag, for sure keep. Yeah, this is much better. Okay, now for Sawyer's hair accessories. I feel like we're in the home stretch here. She's got this bin that we keep in her vanity. I want to go through it. This is going to be a keep. Also a keep. If you know, you know. She does not need this sleep mask, so this is going to be trash. We decluttered the dress that these straps go to, so we'll add those to the pile. She loves this scrunchie. And this one. This one doesn't turn enough times to be secure in her head, so trash. These are all pretty new, so keep. And these keep. These are hairbands that have like the jelly grippy thing on them. She literally never wears things like this. These are a declutter. Leave-in conditioner, keep. And her styling wand, keep. This is for makeup. This doesn't fit on her head. This is trash. Keep, declutter, keep, declutter, keep, declutter, keep. The rest is trash. I'd call this a success. Fits so much better. Now for her makeup bag. She doesn't have like a crazy amount in here, but it's definitely enough, and it's definitely a mess that I clearly need to go through. So I'm going to pull out anything that I know for sure is old and expired, anything that's broken and creating a mess. And we're just going to kind of refresh this for her so that I know anything she's putting on her face is actually safe to be there. I think this is going to have to be decluttered because it's a mess, and clearly a pouch like this doesn't work out for makeup storage for her. So I'm going to try to organize it into here instead. Oh yeah. This is much better. And now this is our final declutter pile. This is all the trash that Sawyer needs to go through. And my work for the day is done. I feel like I have set her up for success with the back to school season, getting into new routines, being able to get herself ready in the morning. That was the goal that I set out to accomplish today, and it is finally done. So I'm gonna call her in here to sort through all of this trash. But first I just wanted to say thank you guys so much for hanging out, choosing to spend your time decluttering and organizing in Sawyer's bedroom today. If you did enjoy today's video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. That always helps to support my channel a ton. And subscribe if you aren't already. I think we have another couple of videos in this whole house decluttering series before we move on to prepping for seasonal and holiday decorating, which is always my favorite time of year, and I don't want you to miss any of that. But without further ado, let's show you those before and afters.